Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you the TOSHIBA electric rice cooker. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be doing a demonstration and product review on the TOSHIBA electric rice cooker. So let's head upstairs and we'll unbox the rice cooker, show you what it looks like, show you all the features, and then we're going to make some rice and show you how that works out. Let's head on up. Alright, here we are. This is all boxed, came in like this, beautifully packaged with their brand all over the box on all sides. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, we've got everything out on the counter here. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we've got here. This is your pot that the rice will go in and the water will go in. This is the ladle and the spoon that came with it. Rice cup, this is what they want you to use to measure your rice, not the standard version of what we use. And here's the cord, the grounded plug here, so make sure you're using only this when you're using the rice cooker. Don't use any extension cords or anything like that. You read the instruction manual, read it twice, all the safety precautions are in there, and you will see a lot of things that you want to make sure you're paying attention to when you're using this rice cooker. Nothing out of the ordinary, but it is important that you read the instruction book. It does have a section in the back for any kind of problems you have. It's got solutions and what may be causing it. Those are all the parts that come with this. Let's set this off to the side. Let's talk about our rice cooker. As you can see, it is pretty small size compared to that box it came in. It has got a lot of features on it, like your steam valve here comes right off. It'll latch, that comes off so you can clean it. It just clicks right back in there. Inside, open that up. We've got our detachable cover lid. You just click that out, that comes right out. And like the bowl fits right in here when you add the rice and the water in there, and you just shut it. Small enough that it fits on your counter or on a shelf in your kitchen or up in a cupboard. We have a nice clean smooth surface all the way around, embedded buttons in there. You can wipe right over the top. You don't have to worry about trying to get under knobs and remove knobs and make sure everything gets clean. So that's a nice feature. The pot is, like I said, if I haven't said this before, the pot is removable. It's got the measurements are inside. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's got the measurements inside, and this whole thing is non-stick, and you don't want to use any kind of abrasives when you're cleaning. Wash everything by hand. This is not recommended for any of these parts to be washed in the dishwasher. So I'm going to go ahead and talk over some more of these features in this. It features 8 cooking functions: white rice, quick rice, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and egg. This sticky rice cooker also makes soups, stews, oatmeals, cakes, and more. And like I said, it's easy cleaning. The detachable inner lid, vent, and non-stick inner pot help to make this easy to clean. It should be washed with mild soap and soft cloth. The steam valve located on the top of the lid can be easily removed for cleaning. Steam vent cap is also removable for easy cleaning. It is highly versatile. The small rice cooker can make a variety of rice types, including brown rice, jasmine rice, sushi rice, white rice, basmati rice, and wild rice, as well as grains like oatmeal, quinoa, mixed grain, and more. It does have a warranty. It has a warranty from TOSHIBA. TOSHIBA will provide a 1-year manufacturer warranty together with your purchase. Alright, so we've got our rice cooker out. We've seen everything on it, showed you the features and all the equipment. What we're going to do now is we're going to make some rice. Alright. We've got our rice cooker. I've got it on. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Take our rice out, the rice pot out. I have got the rice already measured for 1 cup. Put that right in there. Now I'm going to fill it up with water. To the line that it says. And turn it, just make sure the plate is in there evenly. You close it, hit the menu until it, this is brown rice, so I'm going to click the menu until it hits brown rice, and then you hit start. And we'll see what it's like when it's done. Alright, as you can see, we have 1 minute to countdown on the digital clock display shows a minute, and when it beeps 5 times, it's ready to go. Just like that. So I'm going to open it up. There's our rice. Doesn't stick to the pot. Looks pretty good. I'm going to dish some of this up, and then we're going to get some pictures of it. I'll meet you back over there. Did a product review of the TOSHIBA electric rice cooker and also a demonstration. We cooked a little bit of rice, turned out real well. This is an excellent product. Check out the description box below for the specific product link for this and the price. And then also I have listed all the product features that we talked about throughout this video. They're also listed down there for you to check out as well. Thanks a lot for watching today. We did a demonstration and a product review on the TOSHIBA electric rice cooker. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping